equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV46 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you access to the screws that hold the motor cover in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 4 screws located on the motor cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. With the cover removed, you will see the motor assembly. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. A clean workspace is essential for a successful repair. If you notice any buildup, use a soft brush or cloth to clean it out. Now, locate the motor's electrical connector. Carefully disconnect it by pulling it straight out. Be cautious not to damage the wires. After disconnecting the power, you will need to remove the motor itself. There are typically 3 screws securing the motor in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of the housing. If you find it difficult to remove, check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws you previously removed to secure the motor in place. Next, reconnect the electrical connector, making sure it clicks into place. Now, it's time to reassemble the motor cover. Place it back over the motor and align it with the screw holes. Secure it with the 4 screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any issues later on. Before you finish, take a moment to clean any remaining dust from the exterior of the vacuum. A clean vacuum not only looks better but also performs better. If you need assistance or prefer to leave it to the professionals, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation and a quote before repair. Finally, plug your Dyson SV46 back in and test it to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to make your life easier. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.